Practical Fibonacci retracement tips and tricks. Practical Fibonacci retracement tips and tricks. We are on the monthly chart of DLouds Incorporation. The epic is DDS, Delta Delta Sierra, and we want to discuss practical Fibonacci retracements, tips and tricks. Alright, today I have recorded a video that I will post today. The title of that video is 3 Steps Fibonacci Retracement and Tactics. In that video, I was sharing with traders the 3 steps that they must use to trade Fibonacci retracement in an uptrend and also in a downtrend. But right now, I want to record another video and I want to talk about practical Fibonacci retracement tips and tricks. Sometimes trading Fibonacci retracement can be a little bit tricky to traders and they do not know what to do, alright? So I have one example here. You can see that the stock went up from here all the way up here, alright? And then it start pulling back, okay? So traders will draw Fibonacci retracement for the price action from here all the way up here. So we have at the top here 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and now we have the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. That's where the price is now, all right? But very often, as the price is pulling back, like this, trader will try to buy at 38.2%. Well, if they know how to use a multiple time trading method, they may survive what's going on here. Then trader will try to buy again at 50%, trying to catch a knife. So there is an expression in the financial market: you do not catch the knife, okay? A falling knife, this is it. And now they will try to buy at 61.8% where the price is now. You see that the price is changing direction here. But I want to share with traders practical Fibonacci retracement trading tips that they can use in this scenario when the price has completed a bullish trend, now is coming down. How do we handle that, okay? So we can use trend line channel to help us pinpoint the best Fibonacci retracement level where we can identify high probability trading setup. So the first trend line that I draw on my chart, I connect this high here to this one here. That's the first trend line that I have on my chart. You may consider that trend line as the top of the consolidation. See here, the price was blah 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 blah, and then suddenly boom, it went above the orange line. So that trend line is very important for me because the bullish trend is now finished and the price is pulling back, okay? The next trend line that I've drawn on my chart is connecting this low here and this one here. So you want to have as many trend lines. So this trend line, which I'm going to color now into pink, that's the trend line that was supporting the bullish trend. It's very, very important trend line. So there was this barrier or resistance, so to speak, was blocking the price to start a bullish trend. Finally, the price breaks above it. After that, the pink trend line was supporting the price found a support above it, and we have a bullish trend. So that trend line, pink trend line, is very important for me. Now, because we have a bullish trend line that was supporting the price, we can now draw a channel. In order to do that, we just need to select 1 point, just 1 point. Here, this one. 1 point, okay, above the pink line, and we draw a line that is parallel to the pink line. We're going to color that line again into pink. That's the line that we draw through this high here, and we have a line that is parallel to the first trend line. We'll also measure the width of that channel that was supporting the price. So the price was inside the pink channel for a bit of time, for many years, at least 3 years. Now the price is coming out of the channel. So by using Fibonacci retracement, talking about practical Fibonacci retracement trading tips and tricks, we want to trade on the edge of the trend line. So here you see, look carefully, my friend. So as the price was pulling back near the 38.2% level, you can see that it was below that support level. You see here? So in fact, it will be tricky to try to buy here. Because in fact, if we want to buy at this 38.2% level, we will prefer the price to find a support there and to go back. Are you following me? To go back inside the channel. So we will prefer a candle to pop inside the channel like this, and we will draw the high of that candle, and then we will implement a top-down trading method to buy it instead of trying to buy it straight away at 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. Here you can see that the price is out of the bullish channel before retesting the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. But I can assure you that many traders did try to buy this stock at 38.2% level here, a high risk place, a high risk price level, where trader can try to buy this stock. It's quite tricky. See, it's out. Okay, so by drawing the channel and the trend line, we can now navigate. All right, you like the word navigate? Google navigation. Okay, the map. All right, we can navigate through the financial market. So this is not a good place to buy it at 38.2% level. Now let's check the 50% level. So this is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, the line that I put on my chart now. Here it is. Let's color that line into turquoise. Here it is. So the price pulled back now at 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and it was not a bad place because you can see that as we see the price out of this channel using market geometry. Market geometry. So if you are a new trader or a beginner trader, you don't know what is the market geometry, go to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel and check the videos about market geometry by Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. And you will see a lot of videos that will help you to understand the market geometry. The price out of the pink channel, we project it down the channel, the size, the width of that channel in the direction of the price. Now we have, okay, this blue line. I'm going to color that blue line also into pink because it's the projection of the pink channel. So now you can see that the 50% is almost on the edge of our second channel. Here is not a bad place. Now you can see here, if you look carefully here, the tail of this candle, the prior testing the pink line. So instead of buying at 50%, we wanted to touch the pink line instead, which is a little bit below it. But one more time, this is a trading setup. So at this point in time, we will say, okay, this is a bullish trading setup. We will implement a top-down trading method. Here, there was no signal to buy. All right, but you can see the price. In fact, what the price has done, this is quite a beautiful setup. It breaks below the pink trend line. This is what I was telling you here. Okay, when the price was at 38.2%, we wanted to, if you want to buy, we wanted to come back inside the channel. Remember that? We prefer to come back inside the channel. Look here, it went out of the second channel. You see here, it went out of the second channel. Now it come back inside the channel. This is what we want. But because we're on a monthly chart, if you are using a monthly chart as your trading setup, you will wait for this candle to close fast, and you will implement a top-down trading method to trade it above the high or the closing price of this candlestick bar here. You can see not much went on after that. Okay. Traders who understand area wave will look at the structure of this move down. All right, that's another matter. I don't want to talk about that now. Okay, I want to keep it very simple. Okay, so here, area wave trader will know exactly what to do. Okay. All right, so here you see it came out of the big channel, the second peak channel, and went back inside. But if we were on a weekly chart, we can trade this because you will see that a weekly candle will pop into. Can we see that on a weekly chart? Let's see. Here it is. You see, it's also a long candlestick bar. Okay, it's quite tall. We will prefer the candle to pop inside the channel a little bit here. So which means we want it to close just inside a little bit the channel above the pink line. Then we implement a top-down trading method. Here you can see that the candle is quite long, which makes it a bit tricky for us to trade it. All right, it's quite tall candle. Stay away from those tall candles. So if this candle here, this one here, did close inside it, that would be better setup for us, and then we implement a top-down trading method to trade it. Okay. So one more time, if I'm going back again to my monthly chart, talking about practical Fibonacci retracement trading tips and tricks. All right, I got a few minutes left. So at 50%, not much went on. Now where is the price? The price now at 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So if you look carefully, okay, you can see that 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level I'm not very excited about this one. You can see that the price is retesting this high here. You see this high here. The price went up from here to display this high here. The price is now retesting that high. It's also corresponding to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. If you are applying a top-down trading method to trade here, be very, very cautious. Why? Because we will prefer to buy instead on the edge of this trend line here, which is the projection of the second channel. So we project the second channel in the direction of the price. We have the third channel here. This is a market geometry. All right, so we have the third channel here, and that's what I'm saying to you. The 61.8% is at $59.77. If you are buying here, you need to be very, very cautious. It will be better to try to buy on the edge of the pink line here, which is the third projection of the second projection of our original channel. All right. So by using the market geometry, the projection of a channel, the trend line, okay, we will improve our Fibonacci trading. Okay, when we are talking about practical, okay, Fibonacci retracement trading. All right. You see now. So on the edge of the trend line. Now you will notice also that I was talking about the orange trend line here. You see this trend line that was a resistance that the price breaks before the bullish trend. If it comes near the edge of this line here, where I place my cursor now, okay, if it fails to find a support here, the price will try to go back down to the orange line, to retest the orange line. But in all cases, if you are buying here now at 61.8%, implement a top-down trading method, but be very, very cautious, okay? All right? All right? We will prefer it if the low risk entry point, the low risk trading setup will occur either on the edge of the pink line or better on the edge of the orange trend line. So this is just practical Fibonacci retracement trading tips and tricks. I hope you will find it useful, and I will start improving your Fibonacci retracement trading. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, all right, and then I will look at it, and I will record another video to clarify one aspect of Fibonacci retracement trading, or you know another tactics. All right, put it in the comment section. I'll look at it, and in the future I will record another video, okay, to clarify Fibonacci retracement trading. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about practical Fibonacci retracement trading tips and tricks using channel, market geometry, and trend line to improve Fibonacci retracement trading. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.